instructor for days here in Charleston. How did I get into welding? I took welding in high school, and as soon as I graduated high school, I moved down south, and my daddy gave me 6 months to get my feet on the ground, get money saved up. So I went to work. Welding's been very, very grateful for me as a welder and the family aspect. Made a bunch of money. I've done all 4 processes throughout my career, mostly structural. I didn't get into pipe until about 10, 15 years deep into my career. So structural was my main thing. Once I did get into pipe, it was pretty outstanding. Learned a bunch from the old timers on the job, and taught me a bunch. So now I'm proficient in pretty much all 4 processes, and it's done well. The coolest thing I've ever done in my welding career is travel. Yeah, I've been to 4 different continents and seen some beautiful places in the world. I'm very grateful for that. My favorite process has to be MIG because it's fast. There is a few tricks that you can do when you're doing open root. I like it tight but hot. Uphill always. Downhill MIG, it is acceptable, but it's a little bit weaker than uphill. Every student is different. You gotta take the 5 minutes, get to know them, and some are very smart and come in really advanced, like quick learners, and then you have your others that maybe take a little bit more time to learn. So I am an energetic instructor. I like to see stuff happen yesterday, but sometimes you just gotta stand back and see which ones need more help and go with your gut, and then normally it goes. If you're looking to get into welding, first off, do your research. Figure out what school is gonna best fit your needs. If you were in good in school and all that, I mean, a normal trade school would be fine, but you gotta have 2-3 years experience, you know, curriculum, math, English, whatever. On that aspect, here at Arclabs, you just come in and you're in the booth the first 3 days. So it's a no-brainer for somebody that didn't do good in school. So yeah, if you're more hands-on, come to Arclabs.